Welcome back everyone. And nung last video natin, alam na natin kung paano i-download yung ating Python installer. Tama? Ngayon naman, syempre, ang gagawin natin is we're going to install the programming language itself. Nakita natin na sa pagda-download, na finish na natin yan, and nandito na sa ating taskbar. Ang gagawin lang natin is we simply click on this, okay? And then, ito na ngayon yung ating installer. And we are now ready to install. Ngayon, sa pag-i-install, ang gagawin nyo lang is simply click on Install Now. And then, of course, kung saang location siya may store doon sa system natin. Tama? And of course, that will include the idle, the pip, and the documentation, and create shortcuts and file associations. Now also, ito yung isa sa pinaka-importanting kailangan nating gawin. No? Kailangan natin i-check ito, add Python 3.8 to path, para hindi tayo magkakaroon ng problema in running our scripts. Okay? So you click on this, okay? And then you simply click install now. So click natin. Okay, and now, nagsiset up na yung Python installer natin, and maya-maya, in a little while, pwede na natin siyang magamit. Okay? So tapos na yung ating pag-set up or pag-install. So nakalagay setup was successful, and i-close na lang natin ito. No? Ngayon, para malaman natin kung properly na set up siya, meron pa tayong ibang gagawin. And that will be on the next video.